These copper prices fell to a two-week low earlier today, but Goldman Sachs says prices for the metal will probably rally going forward. They are telling investors to buy options on copper producer Freeport-McMoRan. For more on how to play that trade, let's bring in our own Jeff Kearns. So first of all, let's talk about Goldman's call. Why are they so bullish?
Well, they have a lot of reasons in this 80-page report that they put out today. But the main thing that they're talking about with copper is economic growth, and that when people are building things, they need copper. And so that's something that they say is a way to get in front of an economic recovery to be there before the economy actually recovers. And they're saying that they're looking at 4% global growth next year. Mm-hmm. And China, which is the biggest player out there for this, they're looking at 12%. So that leads them to the world's largest miner of the metal.
Right. So specifically, Jeff, what's the trade that they're talking about that you should do here?
Well, the analysts for Goldman put out the note overnight, and they made this part of their conviction list, so they really like it. And then the options strategists, they work with the strategists, and they said that if you want to play this, maybe you can buy the stock, but a better way to play it is to buy the options. And what they're talking about there is something called a call spread, and that's when you have two options above the price of the stock. So the stock's down here at 60, and they're talking about buying one call, which is above at 65, and then higher than that, you sell a call. And what that does is it's a strategy that cuts the cost of your trade and gives you money from the one that you sold, and so it costs less, but the trade-off with that is it caps your return above a certain level. So if it does go up to that 75 level, where the higher level one is, then you're going to run out of steam, and anything above that you lose. But basically, it's two options, and it's a simple trade. And they're saying if you're bullish on copper, then this is the company that's going to be bringing it out of the ground and selling it. And copper's doubled this year, so
yeah, quite a run.
98% gain or something like that isn't bad. And you can have your own metric ton for about $6,000 now. So.
Put that in your backyard, huh?
Well,
we'll get right on that one.
Or hang on to it for next year and see if it costs more.
All right, Jeff, thanks very much for that. Jeff Kearns, options and metals guru for Bloomberg.